Hello guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 50 Lifestyles. Right now what you are seeing is me and my grandkids is going to be cooking up us a simple but a delicious meal. And this is my granddaughter Adriana and this is my other granddaughter Kylie. Look how beautiful my grandkids is. Yes, I got some beautiful grandkids. Now, we're going to get started. Tell you guys what we're doing here. What we're doing, I'm going to have Adriana cut up the sausages. And this is the macaroni and cheese that we are making tonight. And she's going to get started on cutting up the sausages and whatnot. And we're going to fry the sausages over here on this flat griddle.
My grandma told me to wash my hands before.
Oh yeah, you always gotta wash your hands before you cook. Yes, indeed. That's right. Wash it, wash it, wash.
I can't put this in the microwave, can I?
So, stay tuned, guys. Here, my granddaughter is cutting the sausages in a nice little size, and she is going to town with that. Yep. She's doing pretty good. She's handling a knife real good for her age.
Grandma, I'm about to be 10.
Well, some kids at 10 years old can't handle a knife that good. And that is the truth. Uh-huh.
Is the stove cooking already? With
Yeah.
the sausage?
So we're going to put our get ready to open up our box of macaroni. And we're going to put our macaroni on here. She's putting it on the stove. So let me turn these eyes on.
Don't worry, guys. I wash my hands.
Oh, yeah. Always wash your hands before you cook. That's right. She's putting them on the flat griddle. And as we start cooking up this, I will show you the next step. So stay tuned. Okay, Kylie, my oldest granddaughter, she is mixing up some chocolate chip cookies. That's what we're going to have for our snack tonight. And she is doing a very good job of it. Oh, yeah.
Grandma, you never
Let me
told them
show
how
you
old
what
I
they're
am.
looking at.
Grandma, you never told me to tell them how old I am.
Oh, okay. I sure will. That looks good. Oh, cookie dough. Wow, that looks real good.
They're sizzling.
All right, let me turn the oven on. And she is 10 years old.
About to be 10.
Talk for yourself. You know how to talk to the people.
I am 9 years old, about to be 10 in a few months.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be 10 January 16th. That's my birthday.
Oh, okay. And how old are you, Miss Lady?
14.
14. Taller than me, guys. Taller than me. Everybody just passing me up. That's okay, though.
Do you have the band things on?
Yep. Stay tuned, guys. We're getting ready to get the cookies right here. We're getting ready to get these into the oven. Oh, yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, guys. Coming back and showing you guys, my granddaughter already got the cookies on the pan. We put some parchment paper on here so the cookies won't stick. These are going to be some huge cookie, guys. I can't wait to see what them turn out to be. Now, over here on the other side, we already got our sausages fried up. And right here, we put our butter in here, and she's getting ready to put the cheese in the macaroni. Okay, go ahead, throw the cheese all in there. There it is right there. You want to say something to the people while you're cooking?
I hope you guys' day is going well, and yeah. And
yeah, hope everybody's doing good out there in YouTube land. And oh yeah, guys, we forgot to do one thing. We forgot to give an honor to God, who is the head of my life. Always honor God in my videos. I sure do. And I hope everybody is doing fine out there in YouTube land. So, this is going to be a pretty good, simple, but delicious little meal. Who don't like macaroni and cheese and sausage? And for snack, we have chocolate chip cookies.
I'm also going to have a milkshake.
and she's gonna make her a milkshake.
But
Now,
it's going to be a healthy milkshake. It's not going to be like no chocolate milkshake. It's going to be a milkshake with fruit. It's going to be a fruit shake.
okay, guys, she's stirring that up just yet. Now, the little secret I have, I don't know if you guys do this or not. I just take a little bit of that pet milk over there that she's gonna take right now, and just pour a little bit in there.
Just a little bit?
Yep, just a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. Now stir it on up. That pet milk give it more of a richer taste, and yeah, very rich taste.
Oh yeah, those comments that you guys seen, don't believe them, okay? Remember what we were talking about earlier, those comments?
What comments?
That people were asking for money?
Oh, yeah. I put a video up about someone was pretending to be me on social media. Well, all my followers know that that's not my MO if they follow me. That macaroni is really looking really good.
Yes, it's
so,
very, very
I made a video. I'm quite sure they seen it. No, that was not me, guys, at all. And I don't even know why people do that. That is very, very disrespectful to people and stealing people's information out there. I don't even know how they even got my pictures.
Guys, if you have special pictures and they were like of grandkids and like your parents that has passed long ago, you would not want them getting deleted. So just know, don't do that. Even a 9-year-old knows, do not do that. It's not right.
No, it is not.
Because everything is a value to people, and certain things are valued to me, and certain things are valued to you guys. So just don't do that.
That is wrong. You have anything to say? My oldest granddaughter? Yeah, they getting the big. They were so little at one point in time. Now they're huge and passing me up. This one right here, she's growing, but she's growing. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Okay, so we added some milk, and this is how I'm gonna make the milkshake. I'm making one for me and my sister. So there's strawberries, pineapple, and peaches, and mangoes.
All right now, yep. So what you guys seeing? She's making a healthy milkshake using frozen fruit and a little bit of this milk here. This is organic milk, and that's all we're using. Good Lord.
I can make a lot because my sister wants some too. So.
Yeah, that's gonna make a lot. You gotta kind of fill that up.
And be really careful when you're making a milkshake because the blade's gonna hurt you.
That is right. So stay tuned. I will come back in just a second. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the finished product of everything we were doing. The macaroni and cheese, the sausages, and she made a nice fruity smoothie. And it looks all good. So this is what we're having tonight. A simple, delicious meal, mac and cheese. Who don't love mac and cheese? And some fried sausages. So stay tuned, guys. We will show you the cookies when they come out the oven. There she goes. She loved the camera, guys. She just love it. All right. We're going to wait till the cookies come out, show you guys them, and that'll be it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here is our cookies. They came out just great. We'll probably put some caramel, drizzle some caramel over it, and I think that would be really, really, really good over the cookies here. So we're letting them cool down and go in. So this is the end of the video, guys. You guys keep your head up, keep the faith, and I will get back with you in another video. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.